I've made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to listen no further. This ain't love. I know this is love. But if I tell the world, I'll never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you. And that's exactly what I need to do. If I end up with you, should I give up or should I just